It's for me, Harley. It's the first time I try something like that. It's melty, marshmallow, chocolate, and crackers. Let's see. How's
House hurt someone in the face.
good.
You want your own stuff?
Uh-huh.